The new LEGO McLaren MP4/4 Ayrton Senna. Set number 10330. This new LEGO McLaren MP4/4 Ayrton Senna set has 693 pieces. A great collaboration with Senna brand and McLaren. Technic fans will enjoy building this in-scale replica that has accurate detailing of the legendary 1988 racer. Ranked as one of the most successful F1 race cars. This LEGO set includes a displayable Ayrton Senna minifigure. Features of the MP4/4 replica includes a working steering, adjustable rear wing and rod suspension. Also includes a gear shift, mirrors and slick tires, a detailed turbocharged V6 engine and a plaque with interesting statistics. Ayrton Senna minifigure comes with a podium-style display stand. And a plaque with Ayrton Senna iconic quote and photo. A very displayable LEGO icon set. This McLaren MP4/4 race car set measures over 5 inches high, 12.5 inches long and 6.5 inches wide. A very cool build for all race car fans. Release date, March 1, 2024. $79.99 in the US.